I welcome back to this session. Back to the tutorial for DBMS. This class, we are going to see or how to demonstrate normalization with different types of normalization. It's very simple example and also execution also. Here, we are going to create a table this is in the unnormalized. That means not in normalization form. So let's see, we are going to create a table called student course, and we are adding the attributes like primary key, student ID is the primary key, and student name is the variable var character, followed by course name, and followed by instructor name or faculty name method. So after creating this normal table, we are going to insert the values. So what we are going to do is same. We are going to write a query where we are going to create the data with attributes like student ID is one, followed by alias and all the information. Then we are going to write to is compiled. Then I am going to use the and view the data, view the table with the help of the command called select star from student course UNF. That means normally the data is there. You can see the repeated one. That means Dr. Smith came and it's not in normalized one. So we are going to apply the first normal form. The first normal form condition is multi-valid outputs. Sorry. Make atomic values. So you should make atomic values. So once want to remove everything, you can follow the first normal form. So we are writing the query that is create table student 1F followed by student ID. Again, we are giving the course instructor, then insert the value, and we are adding the another data that is we are adding and try to execute here. And here once execute this first normal form, the duplicate value is removed automatically. So we are going to give select star from student course 1F. So here by default showing the information that is after execution of this MySQL, it's showing. So it gives showing the information of student ID, student name, course, and instructor name. So this is the one how we can use the first normal form. Then we can go for second normal form. The second normal condition is remove partial dependency. And that means no redundancy, no repeated data. So we are writing the query that is student, create table student, then again giving student is the primary key and student where character 50, then student create table again and writing another. So for this one, we are going to split the table. So already we are going to create table called student, another table called course, where you have access information like course ID, course name, and instructor here. Then once execute this, execute, you will give the information that is student name, followed by course name and instructor. Here, there is no repeated data. That means no partial dependency. Sorry. Yeah. No partial dependency. That means here we have information of Bob only one time. Alice is there and mathematics is there and instructor is Dr. Smith like that. No repeated information. And finally achieve the second normal form. Let's continue the normalization process. The previous example is fine and suited for third normalization form also. Now we are going to discuss the simple example for understanding about the fourth normalization form and the fifth normalization form here. So here we have, let's assume we get a table called student data. We are going to insert the student values like this and just execute here. And then after execution, we are going to convert to the fourth normal form. That is, the condition is it should be follow the third normal form and no redundant, no repeated information. That's the goal of this fourth normalization form. So you are going to split the data. That means split the table into two forms. That is, we are going to split into two tables. Table one called student course, table two called student happy. So once happy, then you can execute. So once you execute, no error, you can execute query. So successfully it follow and satisfy the condition. So here the table is divided into two. One table has information about the student ID followed by course, and another table has information student ID followed by the hobby here. Let's use this. Yeah. Check out here. Yeah. Here. So split the table into two, table one and table two. Even unit fifth normalization also, what is the condition? It should follow the fourth condition, fourth normalization form, and no joint dependency. You see the small example here. So here we are going to use, yeah. So this you can understand, and can you select start from course and select start from the student hobby for view the output here. Let's go for fifth normal form. We are going to divide the table into three parts. One is called create table supplier product, followed by the supplier product, and again supplier project, where you have information like supplier and project, then followed by primary key, set as a primary key. Then we are creating a table called a product branch, sorry, project, where we are giving the information like product, primary key, and so on. Then we are going to insert the supplier product values, S1, P1. Similarly, supplier project values, and at last we are going to write the product values. Now we are going to see the output because we are going to form a fifth normalization form. The target is what? Remove the unwanted data and remove the join dependency and make it split, make it and give the table in the good format. That means no normal. There is no repeated information also. So there will be the query called now select sp dot supplier comma sp dot product followed by hsr product, and after writing the join operation and execution will get the answer like this. Yeah, here at last you are executing, you get the answer, that is supplier product and project. This is the output for fifth normalization form. So very simple and dead easy. So if you know the normalization, we can easily understand the first normalization form, second, third, fourth, and five also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.